Welcome to the Skolo Online YouTube channel. Follow us on social media by using the links that are in the description below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell notification to be notified every time there's a new video available on our channel. Welcome back to our lecture series. This is the third lecture in this series where we are building our own website using Google My Business for free. Everything we're going to do in this series is not going to cost us a cent. Currently, we have a website running, but that website has absolutely nothing on it. So let's try and spice it up in this series. There's two things we're going to do: add a couple of products and then add a logo and some images to give us some sort of site identity. Now, before we start, I want to show you two free resources, perfectly legal, that you can use to help you build up your website. The first one is we are going to need a logo for our business. Now, I would like you to go to your browser and go to freelogodesign.org. I know you can search for a couple of other logo creators and you're welcome to use whichever one you like, but I'm going to use this one because I've already tested it and proven that it is actually free. So go there, freelogodesign.org, and once you reach that website, you just need to enter your company name here, and our company name is Bakwena House of Bakwena. And once you've done that, let's just pick, we are in fashion and beauty, and let's get started. Once you've done that, fashion and beauty, they already sort of recommend a couple of ideas here. Because I'm selling handbags, I'm not selling nail polish. Let me look a little bit for a logo that is, sort of that goes with bags. Let me just randomly find another page, just something that looks really classy. That's not it. Let's try and see if we can't change it there. Because this is floral. Let's try that. Yeah, that's amazing. I like actually this very first one there, but let's see if we don't have another one. House of Bakwena. I like that. I really like that. Actually, the first logo on the list, but let's see for other. Let's see other ones. I think I'm going to go back to the first one. That very first logo on the list, I like that one. I'm just going to go with that one for my store. So I'm going to pick that and click add. And once you do that, you get to this screen where you can edit your logo and change the text. I actually just like the way that it is. But let me see if I can't change the colors. I like blue, but not that blue. So let's just modify the blue a little bit there. And that as well, modify that blue to sort of a lighter blue. Okay, and say okay. And let's change that color to also be okay. Okay. Yeah, so it's a bit of a contrast. Okay, that looks great. So I'm happy. I'm good to go. So you just click save at the top there, and then you're gonna see a couple of options where you can actually get the logo for free exactly. And that's what I want. It's low resolution, so you can't do much with it. But for the purposes of just building our free website, that's okay. But you have to enter your email address, and then they will send you your logo by email. Okay. Come on. Let's put it there. Let's just do that. And you will receive an email with the logo. So I'm going to go to my logo and I'm going to go to my email and find that logo, and then we're going to continue with the lecture series. Okay, so I have received the email with my logo. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the logo, a transparent background, which is perfect for what we want to do. So let's just now import it into our store. So on your home page, navigate right to the top to the home page and just go down there, and you will have a card that allows you to add the logo. Okay, so that's where we edit, and the logo is sitting in my desktop. Load it. Okay. That looks amazing. Once you've done that, set up a cover photo as well. A handbag, and I'm going to just download that and put it in there. So I've got a cover image and a logo, but I don't have a video yet. We'll get to that later. This image here, let me show you again another website where you can get nice stock images to use on your website for free, and this is pixabay.com. Okay, so if you just go to Google and type pixabay.com, this is the website, perfectly legal. So if you come to this website and you just search for handbags, okay, handbags, there's a couple that come up here, and I'm even getting a nice idea about a logo here. So let's open this on a new tab and let's have a look. This might actually make a good logo for our business. I'm going to download this and use it as a logo instead of what I had before. So I've changed my mind. I'm going to download this for free. I'm going to pick the smallest resolution and download that. And you can just go down this list, and all the images I'm using for my handbags, I got them from this website. That's another nice one. So I'm going to use this as well. So let me download that. And we're going to use these images on our website. All the smallest resolution. And if you use Pixabay and you can afford it, do donate to the authors and people that make these pictures available. Follow them. It'll help their business and help them continue to be able to provide us with free services. Let's go back to our website, and I'm going to change the logo. The resolution on this is not good, but I've shown you two methods. You can go and use a free website to create a logo, but usually you have to pay to get high resolution logos. But it's a quick way for an entrepreneur to just get a logo instead of paying graphic designer lots of monies for logos. Then once if that doesn't work for you and you don't like the resolution, again, you can always try Pixabay. The chances are you might find a nice image to use for your logo. But the problem with finding a logo on Pixabay and this free website is that you will most likely find another business that ends up with the same type of logo, because everyone that goes to search on Pixabay sees the same images that you see. So if you had a great idea of, I could use this for a logo, you might find somebody else has come up with the same idea of using that for a logo, and then your logo might not be unique. So as your business grows and you're making money, yes, I would then recommend you move away from your free logo or images you got on Pixabay and try and pay a professional graphic designer to build your logo that goes with your brand. But for a startup, definitely go to Pixabay, go to Free Logos Online, just get anything to get you going, because at this point you just want to get a website working and start selling to clients, and clients are not going to care that you have a free logo, what your logo looks like. They're going to be more focused on the product that you're selling on your website, and see what that looks like. That's nice. The bummer about this is you're not going to be able to include wording on it. There's ways around it. If you have graphic design software, you can then go and paste the word on it and Photoshop. But for now, I'm not too concerned. Actually, this is better than what I had before, and I'm going to use that for a logo. Okay, so that is how you can get free images to use on your website, get a logo uploaded, and you can go back to see what our website looks like now. So in the next lecture, we're going to spend time redesigning this website and making it look the way we want.